I'm gonna go camping, and I'm gonna go to one of my favorite spots, which is super secret, but I'm probably gonna time lapse most of the, great song. Probably gonna time lapse most of the way up there, so it won't be very secret much longer. Woohoo! Just about to get to the trailhead. I'm very excited. I'm gonna do the fancy time lapse thing on the actual trail, and I imagine there's gonna be a spectacular sunset because it's looking like it's lining up to be. But here we go. Made it to the campsite. Also, how's that for a view? I know it's never the same on camera, but that's pretty incredible. I mean, look at this. There's a sweet Jeep. There's just heckin' nature as far as the eye can see. I'm gonna get camp set up, because that seems like a good first thing to do. And then, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna eat. Eating's important. Then I'm gonna go for a walk to get my 10,000 steps in. Gotta stay fit. Yeah, let's go to set up camp. Finish the setup. I'll explain it more in the morning, but it's pretty cool. And as you'll see, there's also a thing so you don't get all wet. But I'm not gonna put that on yet because it's a beautiful evening and there's nature, and I'm gonna go walk that way. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Look at all that nature, just being naturey. Wanted to show the cool setup I have for sleeping. We have the platform you saw me assemble last night, and then this setup attaches to it with bungee cords, as you can see. And then if we go around to the inside, you can see there's a full twin size bed in here. And it's held up to the top there with Velcro. It's a pretty cozy setup. So yeah, not a bad spot to spend the night, especially when you wake up to this. Gonna pack everything up, and then I think it's time to go do a time lapse of the rest of the trail. All packed up. Time to hit the rest of the trail, and it's gonna be another time lapse because that's fun. pause from the awesome time lapse to show you probably the coolest view of the trail. Got up on top of the Jeep just to show it. If we look over there, beautiful Lake Cachuma that's far too dry. There's the trail. And then if we just flip over this way, oh, there's the ocean with the islands off in the distance. Well, there would be an ocean if you could see it under the clouds. But there's just both sides right here. We're on the top of the mountain. That is all. Back to the time lapse. Finally hit the pavement, so that about does it. Thank you for watching, and if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know. Oh, there's a big fly in here. Oh, I don't like that. Anyway, the cool thing about this trail is it's that short, so you can come up here after dinner, spend the night, and then cruise back. And it's 7:20 now. I'll probably be home before 8, and that's a good day. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, I think I'm recording. Whoops.